Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at RGB floodlight. This also comes with a solar panel. This was very kindly sent out to me. I have also reviewed other lights from this company. I will link them down below and in the pop-up card if you want to watch them reviews. I will link this down below if you want to pick this up. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was inside the box. We get a leaflet here, is giving information about the light, the remote, how to install it. A remote control. It takes two AAA batteries that are included. On off, auto, RGB, red, green, blue mode. You could pick a time as well, so you could leave it on for 3 hours, right up to 8 hours. That's the little sensor there. From the back, that's where the batteries would go. There are two spikes included if you want to mount the light and the panel in the ground. There's some mounting hardware included if you want to mount the light and the panel on a wall. There is also these screws here, that's to mount the bracket onto the panel. We'll have a look at the panel first. It's good quality, this. That's where this bracket would go. It's got some information at the back. I think this cord will be just under 10 foot because that's what the other one was. I reviewed another product of theirs as well. Onto the light. The light has really good build quality. A bracket at the back. You do have a lot of mounting flexibility there. It has a built-in 4,400 milliamp hour battery. A cable that will connect to the panel. Get the panel cable, fit in like so. So water doesn't get in there. But I would still recommend put some waterproof tape on. Okay, I'll turn the light on. That's the blue color, green, red. If I push the RGB, it will cycle through the colors now. This is what the light looks like shining on some branches. I have set it on RGB. This is what the light looks like shining on stone. I have set it on RGB. If you want to pick this light up, I will link it down below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.